Brother, what is the name of this place actually?
It's a new lake in Potuakhali, which is located at Purushoba,
Beside the
beside
Purushoba actually.
Purushoba actually.
So,
And
how do
we
you
can,
feel after coming here?
very well. You can see the road is very neat and clean,
Yeah, right.
and the weather of this place is amazing. So definitely, I feel uh, very well to come here.
Yeah, definitely. My feeling is also same because of the view is just eye-catching and fantastic place. So you can see over there, which is maybe it's a coffee shop or tea stall. I'm not sure about that. And you can see on my right side, there is a beautiful lake. So I think I'm feeling like to swim in this lake because of, but unfortunately I don't have any way to go into the water.